G'day guys, I've just bought two STEDI work lights which I'm going to be using as my camping lights, and these were 59 bucks each from the STEDI website. I've also bought myself a 2-in-1 connector, so both these lights will hook up to the same wiring harness. I decided to get these work lights because I wanted a permanent light set up. When I get to camp, I can just literally flick my switch and then the whole camp is lit up. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so comes with a little pamphlet with wiring instructions. And the STEDI light. Comes there like this. Got a fair solid bit of weight to it, so you know it's built really well. These little metal bracket bit here, which you can see is this bit here, and that's what's going to mount to your bracket. Alrighty, so we're going to go to the local hardware store, get some brackets. Day in Victoria, which means they give it about an hour before it turns into a thunderstorm. I've gone ahead and just cut it down to a smaller L. I think I'm just going to give her a lick of paint. Yeah, it looks nice, alright. So that's all I can do for today until the wiring harness rocks up, which should be tomorrow morning, hoping. Alright, so the wiring harness finally arrived and we can get the rest of it finished. This is going to go through the firewall and will be a switch inside the cab. This is going to hook up to our 2-in-1 connector, and this is going to hook up to our battery. Super bloody simple, and that's obviously the relay there. So first we're just going to feed this wire up the connector to make sure it fits. So this using the back here, we can just go along and really push it in. Disconnect that. Alright, that's that. It's going to make it easier to get through your firewall. So this is going to feed through here, and that's going to go into the cab. Get a little bit of wire stuck onto the end of your switch wire. Electrical tape it up, and then we'll be able to feed it through, and it'll be easier to pull and get through that rubber grommet through the firewall. So the harness actually comes with a switch already, but if you'd rather a rocker switch, they sell them on the STEDI website. Now I'm going to reach my hand through the back and pop this thing out. Boop. And that comes in through there. Keep pulling this through. Bingo. And this switch actually fit. Got to file this down a little bit. So with a little bit of persuasion, we got her in. Just going to pull this back as far as I can back through the grommet, and then yeah, should be nice and tidy. Final bit in the engine bay.
Never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young.
Thanks guys, and that concludes the STEDI work light install. Just shout out to Heftiest Apparel for supplying me with the jumper. You can find them on Instagram if you want to get one yourself. Thanks guys.